lost the game. We lost 3-2 on the one on the run that I allowed on that. And I'm walking on and I just see like the look from everyone. I'm like,
I know.
this is my junior year. Pleasure playing a game with you all.
Right.
And
I'll see you at next year's practice or tryout.
the only reason and the only reason I kept my spot, I think, is because we went through film of it the next day, and our center fielder, who's one of the best defensive players I've ever seen.